Hi, boys and girls. Okay, let's do our calendar, our morning message. So the first thing we have is today is Monday. That's an M. Monday. Monday. Comma. Our month is what? February. Still in February. Capital. Because remember, a month is just like a day of the week, just like your name, it's special. February. Now, what's the date? Today is the 7th. So I'm going to put a 7, comma, 2021. Okay. Now we write the abbreviated. That means the short way. Monday, M-O-N, period. February, we could write F-E-B, period. And how can we write the date? February is the second month. So we're going to start with what? A 2, and then a line called a hyphen. And then we take our number 7, because it's the 7th day. Another line, and it's the year 21, right? 2021. Or we could write the 2 and do a slash and put the 7, do another slash, and then put 21, okay? All 3 ways, this, and this tells us the date, okay? Anyway, okay. So now our sentence is, here we go. Do you know the parts of a flower? I know it's a lot of words, but I think we can do it. Do you know the parts of a flower? This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines. Do you know the parts of a flower? First word, d. Capital, what? D. That's a D. Today, we're just going to write the first letter we hear, okay? Because I want you to know it's okay to write just the first letter, because that is showing that you are understanding. Each word has a beginning sound, okay? So that's perfectly great. So, do, you, y. That's a Y. Do you know? N. What letter is that? N. The letter N says N. Now remember, families, I am not going to spell the words correctly, and I do not expect your little one to spell them correctly. It is A-OK. We don't want them to spell correctly. We want them to spell what they hear, okay? That's what's going to help them be a good writer and reader, okay? So, do you know the. That's a funny sound. I know it's TH. The. Next word, parts. That's a P. Good job. P. Parts of you. Let's read it again. Do you know the parts of a, we know that, it's saying it right there, a, what? Flower. F. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to write underneath so I don't forget what I'm saying. Okay? Do you know the parts of a flower? Okay, so I don't forget what I'm trying to say. This helps adults so that we can go back and remember what you were saying, okay? Do you know the parts of a flower? What goes at the end of this sentence? Is it going to be a period, exclamation point, or a question mark? Am I asking a question? Do you know the parts of a flower? I am asking a question. So it's going to end with a question mark. Okay, now today, boys and girls, you do have your little composition notebook. I'm getting mine out here. Just one second. Okay, getting mine out. You can turn to the first page, the little tab, and you can write today, right here. And you can go in there with one of your, I don't have a pencil, I have to use a crayon. Usually we always use pencils, but I don't have a pencil here with me. So I can draw my 5 lines. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do, I can make my D, then my Y, oops, my N, that's kind of messy. And then the TH, the P, U, A, and then flower, the question mark, okay? So I did my, and now I'm gonna write the date. I'm gonna write the number slash the 7th slash then 21. Then underneath it down here, I'm gonna write my name. If my name was Sophia, I would write Sophia, okay? And I would try writing it 3 times. That's part of your homework. Now, this isn't all of your homework, guys. This isn't the whole kit and caboodle. This is just part of your daily writing. I want us to get used to writing every day. And this is part of our morning message time that we're going to be writing and doing this together, okay? So do you know the parts of a flower? Okay, then you're going to write your name 3 times. If you can write your first and last name, that's fine. We're just using one side, okay? Because we might use the other side for another subject, like for math or something else, okay? But we have all these pages here to last us this week. And the next tab will be for the next week, okay? So that's what we're doing today. Get out your composition notebook. Families, make sure they use 1 page. Okay, guys. And I will see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.